How to earn money with Airbnb affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I will show you how to make money with Airbnb affiliate program and also becoming Airbnb affiliate program. Could be the perfect opportunity for you as an affiliate. You can earn commissions by promoting Airbnb accommodation to your audience, whether you run a travel blog, manage a social media channel, or have website related to hospitality. Becoming an Airbnb affiliate allows you to monetize your traffic and recommendation. So before getting started, let us know what Airbnb is. Airbnb is a globally recognized online marketplace and hospitality service platform that enables individuals to list, discover, and book accommodation around the world. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into airbnb.com as you can see here. So this is the website. If you want to become an affiliate program, all you have to do is Airbnb Associates Program. It's back here. Click on this one, Airbnb Associates Program. So this is the homepage of Airbnb Associates Program. Here we have Airbnb Associates Guidelines. All associates should keep these guidelines in mind. So let's read together these guidelines to more understand. First, we have be transparent about your relationships with Airbnb. Secondly, we have associates are not Airbnb employees and do not work under the direction of Airbnb employees. Never represent yourself as an agent or employee of Airbnb. Also, we have by posting content on Airbnb, you agree to abide by our content policy. Furthermore, we have don't remove Airbnb's branding from the program tools, don't use any other Airbnb trademarks or copyrighted materials. Moreover, we have here don't hide links, widgets, or pages, only share program content directly to your followers on your personal sites or social media. And we have here don't run paid advertisements in print or digital format, don't bid on Airbnb keywords or arbitrage Airbnb's global audience. Finally, we have here don't book through your own links, you won't receive a payout for your own listens. And here we have also tools available to Airbnb associates like referral links, widgets, landing page. We have also payment and payout here and a lot of information that can help you guys. So let's back here to the top. We have important notes that you should know it. The Airbnb Associates program allows anyone with an audience to make money by promoting traveling or hosting on Airbnb. So what that means is the Airbnb itself is gonna give you a commission if someone click on your link set, books, stay, and whatever. So to earn commission, all you have to do is come back to the website and choose one picture that you want, promote. Let's choose together this one. So here we have a detail of image and a lot of information that can help you guys. So this is how to earn commission, guys. Here we have some examples for each strategy of earning money through the Airbnb affiliate program. First, we have promote Airbnb lessons. Create a blog post titled Top 10 Cozy Airbnb Cabins for Winter Getaways, where you feature and link to various cozy cabins available on Airbnb, highlighting their unique features like hot tubs, fireplaces, or proximity to sky resorts. Secondly, we have create travel guides and reviews. Write a detailed travel guide on exploring Barcelona on a budget and include sections recommending budget-friendly Airbnb accommodation in different neighborhoods with affiliate links to those listens. We have here target niche audience. Create an Instagram account focusing on luxury travel, Post high quality photos of luxurious Airbnb villas around the world using your affiliate links into captions and bio to direct followers to book their dream stays. Moreover, we have used sales strategies. Write a blog post titled Family Friendly Airbnb Rentals Near Disney World, optimized with keywords like family friendly Airbnb Disney World, featuring detailed descriptions and affiliate links to kid friendly properties near the theme park. We have here the main one. Utilize social media. Create a Pinterest board titled Dream Vacation Rentals where you pin visually appealing image of various Airbnb properties worldwide. Use affiliate links in the pinned descriptions to drive traffic and booking. We have also email marketing. Send out a newsletter to your subscribers with the subject line exclusive summer getaways deals. Save 200% on Airbnb stays. Include curated lists of Airbnb properties in popular summer destination with affiliate links for readers to book directly. Furthermore, we have offer special deals. Partner with Airbnb to offer a limited time discount code exclusively for your audience. Promote this offer on your blog, social media, and email newsletter. Encouraging users also to use your affiliate link to redeem the discount and create comparison content. Write a blog post titled Airbnb with hotels where to stay for your next city break. Compare the benefits of staying in an Airbnb like more space, kitchen facilities versus a hotel and include affiliate links to both Airbnb listens and hotel booking sites. We have also partnered with travel bloggers or influencers as you can see here. Collaborate with a travel influencer who specializes in adventure travel. Have them create Instagram stories showcasing their stay in a unique Airbnb treehouse with swipe up links to book the same property using your affiliate link. Here in the last one, we have finally stay updated on Airbnb's program. Keep an eye on Airbnb's affiliate program updates. For example, if Airbnb introduces a new program offering increased commission rates for bookings in certain regions or during specific seasons, adjust your promotional strategies to capitalize on these opportunities. This is solution, guys. So this example just illustrates how you can effectively utilize different strategies to earn money through the Airbnb affiliate program by promoting lessons, creating valuable content, and engaging with your target audience. So this is it, guys, for this video. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.